Like, subscribe and get notified.
कामगाराचे एसेन्शियल सर्व्हिस मेंटेनन्स ॲक्ट जो लायला, इट इज वी हॅव ऑल्सो चॅलेंज इट इन द हायकोर्ट, बट यू नो द कोर्ट प्रोसिजर इज अ longer procedure. So we are going to agitate it on the May Day, and thereafter we will have continuous agitation for the withdrawal of the asthma. And Goa is the only state where in the industrial belt on essential service maintenance लायला for the workers in the pharmaceutical company. तुझं 30-35 वर्सां पयलीं गोंयांत जे टुरिस्ट येताले, they were having the गोंयांक एक attraction आशिल्लें, greenery आशिल्ली, beaches were there, and now people are finding the alternative. Even the neighboring Konkan area, Maharashtra, people prefer going there than coming down to Goa, because the Goyant road development is required, but at the cost of road development, the disaster केला. रस्त्याक समज 4 लेनीक जर रोड झाडां कापपाक जाय जाल्यार एडिशनल आनी 2-3 जे बिल्डर लॉबी आसा, जे हे आसा, तेणी बिंदास झाडां उडयल्लीं आहा. आनी यू कॅन सी इट फ्रॉम काणकोण टू पेडणे पासून सगळें. यू सी द डिजास्टर ऑफ द कटिंग ऑफ द ट्रीज.
Watch on Herald TV.